Oh my god. This is Cage's chance to escape right now. Oh my. Oh my god. And he just stays right on him the whole time. Oh, with the double leg drop right onto Hudgens. And I think he must have hit something off the ends right there of the chair and ladder. Oh my god. Oh, what's he doing now? Oh no. He's doing it. Or maybe nope, and that's not what I was thinking, but he's doing something. The reverse DDT right onto it. That's it. This is his chance. Cage has the perfect opportunity to leave right now. Is he going to? That's the real question. Oh. Oh, what's he? Oh, he's trying to whip him with the tape he ripped out of the... Oh my. He just gave it to our doctor.
Need some pills?
Oh! He just threw random pills. Oh, what's he thinking here? Oh. Oh! Oh my god! No, no, oh! Then Alabama slam right on the debris right there. This is his chance. Hudgens doesn't know what's going on. Hudgens is so out of it right now. He's grabbing a water. Oh my god. It's going everywhere. Hudgens is being Hudgens right now. Cage is finally broken out of his slumber. He's just washing off over there. Don't mind him. This is a perfect opportunity. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Cage is trying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kevin is now back on the offensive. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. That's been probably the most brutal pop-up we've seen all day. I heard something crack. I heard something. Kevin can't leave right now. Oh, he's what? Kevin. Is he? Oh no. Doors open. 1, 2. That is game, set, match. And your winner, and still the hardcore champion, Kevin Hudgens. Oh my god. Now here's our handy dandy doctor that Cage tried to take advantage of. Well, he's not done.
Don't touch it. I said don't touch it. But it's my job.
Oh, it's
Listen.
Hudgens just taking care of the doctor. Oh.
Do you know what this means?
No.
I am the hardcore champion.
Oh. He was just he tried to help you during the match, but you're abandoning him now.
He didn't do nothing. He just said, "What's wrong? What's wrong?" Well, you know what's wrong. Everything. Where'd that kid go? Huh? I don't
know. come on. He has no defense on himself.
I don't care.
He has no.
I don't care, Mr. Big Jake. You know what this means? This means nothing.
Oh.